talked about this on stage at Code with Claude, where we did an early prototype alongside Amazon to, see like, could we help partner on Alexa Plus? And one I remember this really early prototype, I had built a tool that was like the like timer tool, right, or like a reminder tool, and one or the other was broken, like if the backend was broken for it, and Claude was like, "Oh, I can't set an alarm for you, so instead I'm going to set a 36-hour timer," which no human would do. But it was like, oh, it's agentically figuring out that like that. I need to solve the problem somehow. And you can watch it do this. Like if you play with Claude Code, if it can't solve a problem one way, it'll be like, well, what about this other way? I was talking to one of our customers, and somebody asked Claude, like, hey, can you generate a like a speech version of this text? And Claude's like, well, I don't have that capability. I'm going to open Google free TTS tool, paste the user text in there, and then hit play, and then record, and like basically like export that. And like nobody programmed that into Claude. It's just Claude being creative and agentic. And so a lot of the interesting product design around this is how do you enable all the interesting creativity and agency when it's needed, but prevent the, all right, well, I didn't want you to do that, or I want more control. And then secondarily also, when it does it right one time, how do we kind of compile that into, great, now you figured this out. Like you want somebody who can creatively solve a problem, but not every time. If you had a worker that every time was like, I'm just going to like completely from first principles decide how I'm going to like write a Word document, you'd be like, okay, great, but it's like day 70. Like, you know how to do this now.